Hi, reference librarians. I'm going to show you how to log in to our new Ask a Librarian service. So in the fall, when we implement this, there'll be a direct link from the home page. You can go straight to the new Ask a Librarian service. But for now, the easiest time to get there is through LibGuides. So I'm going to click over here on our research guides. And that takes us to our LibGuides page, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to log in, and every librarian has a LibGuides account. So I'm going to click right here to log in. And then you can see up here on the left side, we're currently in LibGuides where we could create and edit new research guides. We're going to switch over to LibAnswers, which is our new Ask a Librarian system. We're going to be starting in the fall, and we're testing out right now. So that switches me over. I'm going to close this survey. That switches me over to our dashboard. And here down at the bottom are questions that have come in from the question form. And then up here at the top is the live chat that you can sign into to be available to chat with students. So we'll talk more about how both of those work in the fall.